BISSELL floor care products are some of the best on the market, thanks to their advanced technology, easy usage, and powerful cleaning results. The new CrossWave HydroSteam Cleaner makes it easier to take care of hard floors with just one device, where normally you'd need to vacuum and mop. The CrossWave HydroSteam is a wet-dry vacuum that uses a combination of water, steam, and cleaning solution to handle your floor care needs. The two-tank system ensures only clean water and solution are used for washing. Automatic self-cleaning adds to this, keeping the brush roll clean and ready for washing with little manual intervention. Taking just 30 seconds to warm up for steam wash mode, the CrossWave HydroSteam is ready right when you need it. This model is suitable for all kinds of sealed hard surfaces, like tile, sealed wood, laminate, linoleum, and more. It can also take care of area rugs with a rug-specific mode. Hard floor mode is suitable for everyday messes, while steam wash mode adds steam to tackle tough stuck-on messes. With a lightweight construction and swivel steering, the CrossWave HydroSteam is easy to maneuver across floors, around obstacles, and under furniture. Plus, the easy-to-use fingertip controls make it easy to change modes on the fly for moving from hard floors to area rugs, all without interruption. When cleaning under furniture or along edges and corners, the headlights on the front of the cleaner head make it easy to see hidden fur, hair, and dirt, so you can ensure every area is cleaned. The BISSELL CrossWave HydroSteam is a versatile option that cuts down on cleaning time for hard floors. Why vacuum and then mop when you can get both done in one pass with one device?